Howdy, howdy, howdy. Happy to be here and happy you're here with me. And if you're new here and enjoy this content, I hope you'll subscribe. Well, hi, my name is Heather here at Southern Gals Crochet. And today we are going to talk about the inventory for tomorrow's event. Since it has been almost 2 months since my last event, which was right before Christmas, I need to go through all my stuff and make sure my inventory list is up to date. But I did want to say I did manage to get two little frogs done, and so those will be $5. And I am currently working on a blanket, a big granny square blanket. It's going to be about 32 by 32. I've been wanting to add to my inventory some keepsake baby blankets, and I haven't done it, and so I was like, okay, I really need to jump on this. And so I started that, and I probably won't get it finished in time. And just now when I was in town, I picked up a package of, well, it looked like that when I got it, or maybe the other way, there you go, and little carrots. And I thought those would look cute with my little bunny rabbits, or just laid around on the tables to give it that little Easter vibe. So we picked up some little carrots. Alright, and so now that we've talked about that, it's time to start digging into these boxes that haven't been dug into in 2 months. So we'll see what we have in here. Okay, let's see what we got on this pile here. Alright, so looks like we have snakes. And it looks like we have different size snakes, I think. Okay, so we have 2 smaller snakes that are, about this long, and these are at $25 a piece. And then we have 2 that are extra long, like probably a good 8 inches longer than the other ones, and these are at $30 a piece. And then we have one small, well, not small, but smaller armadillo who has no price tag. But I'm pretty sure he's supposed to be $20. And then the larger one, which is considerably larger, is at $30. And I have one more gray larger. So yeah, we need a price tag on that one. Put that one over there. Okay, and then we have some sea turtles, large sea turtles for $30 a piece. And there you go. So definitely, when I can get a chance, I need to put some turtles on the list. 3 sea turtles, that's not very many. And I have 3 land turtles as well. We have 2 cactus and 3 dragons. If you watched my video from earlier this week, you would have seen that I had a half a dozen of roses. And right now I have 4 lavenders and 4 tulips. So, nice little bouquet of flowers for Easter. Okay, and then I have this tray here of washcloths. So I sell my washcloths at $8 a piece, and I currently have 18 of them. And then I also have my scrubbies. I love my little scrubby set. There are 2 in each set, and I sell those for $10 a piece. And I have 120, and I also have one more in the other bag from the other day. So 21 total. Oh, and I also have these cactus planters that I sell for $15 a piece. We have a seal, an elephant, and a puffin, and a polar bear, and a fox, and a hedgehog, and a deer. I haven't had a chance to make any more of these, so I guess I'll just keep these going until they're all gone and then make some more. And here's some things I have not pulled out in a while, but we do have a cold snap coming for the next, I do believe, 2 weeks. So it's the perfect opportunity to bring out some scarves. So I do have this scarf that is made out of cotton, and I have it marked at $15. And then I have some infinity scarves. I don't know if you can read that. Infinity scarves, and I sell them for $15. And I have some chunky infinity scarves that are a little shorter, and I sell those for $12. I have 44-inch infinity scarves at $12 and 60-inch infinity scarves for $15. And I have approximately 15 of those scarves left. And then I also have this shawl that I did a while back that I'm hoping that I can just sell real quick, and that's at $25. So I figured this would be a really good opportunity to try to sell some of those things because they've been with me a little while, a couple of winters already. So yeah, I want to try to get rid of those as quickly as possible. Okay, so we have 2 tacos. I really need to make some more tacos. I'm trying to make a mental note of what I need because I have a large event coming up. Not this Saturday, but next Saturday. And so I'm trying to make a mental note of the kind of things that I really need to crunch down on this week. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 large octos. And 3 small pigs. I sell those pigs for 10, what is it? I sell the little pigs for 15 and the larger pigs at 25. And I have 4 larger pigs. One elephant for $20. Oh, I sell those large octos at $20. And then I have some goldfish. And I sell the goldfish for $15. They're just very simple, easy to make, and nothing hard about them at all. And I have 6 of those in various different colors. And so far, I'm the only one that really likes them. I made 6 and I still have 6. So far they're not a seller in my area. I have 1 large squid for $25. And I have 1 large duck for $25. And I have 6 chili peppers at $10 a piece. Alright, so I also have 3 large caterpillars, and I have $18 a piece on these. I have 3 large chicken nuggets at $15 a piece. And let's see, 1 large stingray at $15. My stupid chair, it's just so, I need to get a new one. Okay, so we have stingrays at $8 a piece, and I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. And let's see, then we have 3 loaf cats at $15 a piece. And we have 1 small easy cat, but in my previous video I had finished 5 other easy cats. So yay. Alright, and then we have turtles, small sea turtles, and I only have 3 color combinations. I have the orange and peach, the purple and lavender, and the brown and tan. That's all I have. I have 6 turtles. And I sell those at $15 a piece. Oh, and the small little easy cat is $12. So there were 3 leftover chickens from last market. And I sell the chickens at $18 a piece. And then we have 3 little owlets. Woo! They went way over there. And 3 little owlets, and I have those marked at $10 a piece. Alright, and I still have 1 little tiny whale left over from my acrylic days, and it is at $10. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small snakes at $10 a piece. I have 2 leggy frogs left, and those are at $15. I have 3 aliens, little pocket aliens, at $5 a piece. I have 2 large bees. These are larger than the ones I made in the last video, just a little bit larger. These are at $15 a piece. And 1 lizard. It's the last lizard, and that's at $15. Okay, and we have 4 baby chicks at $8 a piece. Just a little handful of a baby chick. We have footballs. We have 2 brown footballs and 4 blue footballs and 3 baby blue footballs at $8 a piece. Here we have sharks. I love my sharks. I always get such big compliments on my little sharks. And I sell these sharks at $15 a piece because there's so many parts, and it takes longer to make them because there's so many parts. But I don't have any trouble selling them. I don't remember how many of these small octos I had done in the last video. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have green and yellow and orange and purple and a little hot pink one and some duplicates. So yeah, and I sell those at $12 a piece. I got 8 of these done in the last video, and so these I have 4, so that puts me at 12 at $8 a piece. So yeah, and these sell pretty well as well. I don't usually have a hard time getting rid of those. All right, well, there you go. That is the end of the box, and fingers crossed we have a nice day tomorrow, supposedly around 72 degrees, so that should bring the people out. And yeah, fingers crossed we have a really nice market day, profitable market day. Well, that's a word, isn't it? Profitable. Oh boy. Alright, I need some rest, y'all. My brain is scattered and it starts fixating on weird things. So I will see y'all after the market, and I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.